Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube. I recently got the Ryobi electric scrubber and it's gonna be my first time using it. I haven't cleaned my bathroom tiles in 7 months. It's super dirty. It's a mix of water stains, dirt stains, and footprints. And it can't be cleaned with just a simple towel or anything. So I think now would be a good time to test it out and see how effective it would be for really stubborn spots and stains. The Ryobi device comes with two applicators. One is the floor scrubber, which has these green bristles, and the other one is a sponge applicator, which can be used for washing cars. The sponge applicator is quite thick and the material seems to be quite sturdy and very good quality. It's 1.5 inches thick and you can also remove it. And if you just want to use it with your hand, that can be great too. But if you want to attach it to the device, you have to attach it to this applicator right here. It is Velcro, so it's quite easy to remove. This is the floor scrubber. It's 1.5 inches thick and it's not too soft and it's not too hard. And this is the one that you can also attach to the device. This is the charger that the Ryobi device came with. The battery is detachable and you can just attach it to this port right here. I haven't used the battery yet, so I'm not exactly sure how to use it, but here's a preview of what it looks like. It's quite long actually, so don't lose it because I'm not sure if you can buy it in separate parts. This is the device itself. It's super long and super big. I'm 5 feet 3 inches and this device is almost my height. As I said, I'm 5 feet 3 inches and this device is almost as tall as me. So it's almost 5 feet and this is without the applicator attached. It's super big and I think it can be great for cleaning walls as well, for those places that are quite hard to reach. The battery is locked in this plastic container, and if you just want to remove the battery, you can just pull this and open it and remove the battery and charge it by itself. It's really great so that the battery will not get wet in the process. The device also has this handle in the middle for easier grip while you are cleaning. As you can see, my bathroom is super dirty. It's 7 months without cleaning it because I don't have any device for cleaning it and I don't want to break my back just cleaning the bathroom floor. So I've been waiting months and I've been contemplating on which device to use until I bought the Ryobi scrubber. So I think this would be a great opportunity to show you how this device works and if it's really effective. As you can see, my bathroom has really bad water stains on it, and it's not just water stains, there are also dirt stains, and these, I'm not even sure if these are mold or what, but yeah, I have lots of grout too in some places, and lots of footprint stains. So we will see and put the Ryobi scrubber to the test. So this is the before of my bathroom floor and I'm gonna use the scrubber and see how it goes. I also think that I'd show you a close-up of how my bathroom looks like right now. It's like 7 months without cleaning it. You have footprints, dirt and water stains mixed together, super dirty, and I can't really clean it with water anymore because the dirt is attached, so even if I scrub it with my foot, the dirt won't come off. Now I have water and some soap, and what I'm gonna do is put water and soap on the floor tiles manually because there's no input on the device where you can put water and soap. You have to do this on your own. Now that there's soap and water all over the floor, and yes, it does look a bit messy, but it's gonna make my job so much more easier, let's get to scrubbing. I just want to give a close-up of what it looks like. So I cleaned most of the stuff off cam, and I've already mopped it using my Spontex mop, and this is the final result. As you can see, I think the Ryobi did a very good job. It cleaned most of the dirt and the water stains. However, it's not 100% clean. I'm gonna zoom in and you can see that there's still some stuff in between the tiles. There's still some water stone there, and these are really hard to remove. But then again, I'm just using soap and water to clean my floor tiles. I didn't use the good stuff yet. It has removed most of the stuff. I think it's much better compared to before. However, I'm gonna have to do something about the grout in between the tiles, and I think I need to apply a stronger solution instead of just soap and water for this. There's still some water stone in between the tiles, as you can see. But overall, I'm gonna rate the Ryobi device an 8/10. And if you're just gonna use soap and water, it's gonna remove most of the stains. Just be careful with the grout and the water stone in between the tiles. It's still a little bit dirty, but we definitely can do something about that. Next time, instead of soap and water, I'm gonna use this disinfectant spray, and I'm just gonna spray it all over the tiles so that it can clean it better, and they can remove all the hard stains in between.